We're way out here in the backwoods. I'd tell you where I'm at, but you wouldn't believe me. Anyway, it's a little creek we came over down here. Small, you know, sometimes really small. Not much water through it at all, but now there's plenty of water because we've been having such a rainy season. And we're gonna take the rod, go back over here, float a mini around in there. I mean, not a mini, a piece of chunk of night crawler around in there. Let's see if there's any fish in that. You know, sometimes spots like that out here in the middle of nowhere, you know, trout. You know what I mean? Native trout. Okay, you got some nice pools in there we can sneak into, and you know, maybe get a cast out there. See if there's any trout in there. Could be. You never know. Right? Just never, ever know. And let's face it, who's going to stop here and fish it if Ron doesn't? Doesn't look like anybody. So, got a chunk of juicy night crawler. Okay. Put it on a hook. I'm going to give it a try. Okay? Yeah. This should be pretty cool. Just to see. You never know. I'm telling you, you never, ever really know. I mean, you saw that little ditch we were fishing in the other day, right? Why not today? Why can't this ditch have something? Right? Like I said, look back there. You look back in the woods, there's a nice little hole back in there. There could be some fish here. Should be some fish back there in that hole. I'm going to try back there then. Certainly don't seem to be much going on here next to this, right here where this goes over, but you know, down in there on either side it looks like it gets deep in spots. So let's try this one first, right? What do you think? Try this one first and then try that one. Hey, look, we made it to here. We're gonna try it right here in this spot right here. Okay. Just want to ease up here a little further so I can cast. Like I said, I don't think anybody fishes here. Anybody. We tried. If there's anything in here, but we tried. Huh? Hey guys, we got a fish from this muddy hole here. What do you think? Look at this. Huh? Look at this. Yeah. Little pickerel. Way up here. Huh? That is a beauty. I think that's what they call a grass pickerel. He is completely different from any pickerel you ever saw, huh? Lovely fish. Wow. Out of this little dink hole. Who would have thought? Put him back in here. There he goes. Let's see if there's anything else biting before we leave now. Well, I would have thought for sure there was nothing in here. And we just got that guy. All right. Out, guys, check it out. We got the wild turkeys up here. Huh? You see them? They're right in the middle of the road. Wild turkeys. Huh? Look at that hen. She ain't worried about us at all. Nor her babies. What do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chicks. 6 chicks. Right? We got 6 of them. And Mama on the other side of the street. Yeah, you don't see that every day. Only in the wild. Right? Out and about style. Hey, what do you say there, turkey? Gobble, 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 gobble. Beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Love to see that wildlife. All right, let's go fishing. Guys, finally. Been here a while. I don't know what I got. I guess I got a little trout. Look at this. Little rainbow trout. I'll show it to you here real quick. Nice little one. Huh? Look at it. Oh, it's a little brown trout. Native brownie. But we're not going to keep him. We're going to throw him back. Look at this thing. Is that beautiful or what? Hmm? We got all the trout, I think, this weekend. We got rainbow, maybe, and we got brookie, and now brownie. Beautiful little. Another fish on, guys. Got another little native trout here. I'm gonna bring him in and let you guys see him. I'm gonna put him back right away. I don't want him getting hurt. Look at that. Another beautiful little brown trout. That is just beautiful. In this nice little pool here. Right. Don't want to take the chance of hurting him, so get him right back in the water, right? There he goes. Back, Mr. Fish. Go back. Back to where he came from. Pretty cool, huh? Another trout, guys. And another one. Look at this one. Huh? Beautiful. Beautiful. Pretty simple to catch a couple of these out of here, huh? I'll put this one back too. There we go. Release, sir. There he goes. Alright. Okay. Well, I haven't gotten any big ones, so you know what I'm going to do? I think I'm going to pack up. It's kind of hot out today. And that's 3 really nice trout, you know, from this here creek. And who knows how many more are here. But anyway, you'll get a chance. Go out fishing. Even if it's a trout stream, you never know. There could be a couple trout out there. Okay? All right. See ya. Bambino.